If you're looking to start an online business or boost your income, chances are you've heard of Shopify. As one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, Shopify has become a go-to choice for entrepreneurs and small business owners worldwide. But beyond running a traditional online store, Shopify also offers powerful opportunities to generate passive income. In this post, we'll break down how to make money on Shopify and explore 7 practical ways to maximize your earnings using this versatile platform. Whether you're new to Shopify or already familiar with it, these strategies can help you turn your store, or your skills, into a reliable source of ongoing income. Let's get started. Shopify is a fully hosted e-commerce platform that makes it easy for anyone to sell online, even without technical or coding skills. It provides everything you need in one place: product management, secure payment processing, marketing tools, analytics, and shipping integrations, so you can focus on building and growing your business instead of managing complex systems. One reason Shopify remains a top choice for online entrepreneurs is its simplicity and scalability. You can start with a single product and expand to a full catalog as your business grows. Customizable themes and thousands of app integrations allow you to tailor your store to your brand and add new features as your needs evolve, making Shopify suitable for both beginners and experienced sellers. What truly sets Shopify apart is its ability to support multiple income streams. Beyond selling physical products, you can earn through dropshipping, print-on-demand, digital downloads, subscriptions, memberships, and wholesale selling. With the right setup and strategy, a Shopify store can operate as a 24/7 revenue engine, generating income even when you're not actively working. Creating a winning Shopify store starts with choosing the right niche. The most successful stores focus on products with clear demand and strong buyer intent. Look for niches where people are actively searching for solutions, experiencing specific pain points, or willing to pay premium prices. Combining market demand with a niche you understand makes product selection and marketing much easier. Your store's design plays a major role in conversions. Choosing a clean, professional Shopify theme helps establish trust from the first visit. Just as important is mobile optimization. Most shoppers browse and buy on their phones. A fast-loading, mobile-friendly layout with simple navigation can significantly improve sales. Compelling product descriptions are what turn visitors into buyers. Instead of listing features, focus on benefits and outcomes. Explain how the product solves a problem or improves the customer's life. Adding elements like social proof, urgency, or guarantees makes descriptions more persuasive and increases confidence. Finally, make sure your store looks legitimate and trustworthy. Set up secure payment gateways, clear shipping and return policies, and essential pages like About Us and Contact. These details reassure customers, reduce hesitation, and lower cart abandonment, creating a smoother path from browsing to buying. Here are 7 proven strategies to make money on Shopify, whether you're starting from scratch or scaling an existing store. Strategy 1. Dropshipping high-demand products. Dropshipping lets you sell products without managing inventory. Your supplier handles storage and shipping, making this a low-risk model ideal for beginners. Success depends on choosing trending, problem-solving products and strong marketing. Strategy 2. Launching a print-on-demand brand. With print-on-demand, you sell custom-designed apparel, accessories, or home decor. Products are printed only after a customer orders, keeping upfront costs low while allowing you to build a unique brand. Strategy 3. Selling digital products for high margins. Digital products like ebooks, templates, courses, planners, or software offer extremely high margins. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly with no inventory, shipping, or fulfillment costs. Strategy 4. Offering subscription boxes or membership. Subscriptions create predictable, recurring income. You can offer monthly product boxes, replenishment items, or digital memberships that include exclusive content, tools, or community access. Strategy 5. Running a private label or branded product line. Private labeling allows you to sell branded versions of existing products. This increases perceived value, builds customer loyalty, and gives you more control over pricing and long-term growth. Strategy 6. Using Shopify for wholesale and B2B sales. Shopify supports wholesale pricing, bulk orders, and business accounts. Selling to retailers, resellers, or corporate buyers can significantly increase order values and revenue. Strategy 7. Monetizing through influencer partnerships and social traffic. Drive traffic from platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or influencers. Viral content and creator partnerships can lead to rapid sales growth and major revenue spikes. When combined with the right niche, branding, and marketing strategy, these approaches can turn Shopify into a powerful, scalable income engine. Using the right tools and apps can significantly increase your Shopify earnings by improving conversions, boosting order value, and automating growth. Apps designed for upselling, cross-selling, abandoned cart recovery, and one-click checkout help you get more value from every visitor. Simple features like product bundles, post-purchase offers, or reminder emails can noticeably increase average order value over time. Marketing and automation tools are equally important. Email marketing and SMS apps allow you to follow up with customers, promote new products, and encourage repeat purchases. Automated campaigns, such as welcome sequences, abandoned cart flows, and post-purchase emails, keep revenue coming in even when you're not actively managing the store. Analytics and tracking tools help you make smarter decisions. By using Shopify's built-in analytics along with tools like Google Analytics or heat maps, you can see how customers interact with your store. Understanding what works and what doesn't allows you to optimize pages, improve the customer journey, and steadily increase profits. Studying successful Shopify entrepreneurs can fast-track your own growth by showing you what actually works in real businesses. Many 6- and 7-figure Shopify stores started small, with a single product or simple idea. Case studies reveal how these founders identified winning products, refined their marketing, and scaled through smart branding and systems. Seeing real examples helps you understand that success is achievable with the right execution and patience. High-earning Shopify store owners share several common traits. They are persistent, willing to test and fail, and highly data-driven. Instead of guessing, they analyze customer behavior, ad performance, and conversion data to guide decisions. They also stay curious, constantly learning new marketing strategies, platform updates, and consumer trends. The biggest takeaway is implementation. Apply proven strategies like rapid product testing, strong storytelling, clear brand positioning, and consistent customer engagement. Focus on building trust and delivering value rather than chasing shortcuts. When you adapt successful tactics to fit your niche and audience, you create a store that can grow sustainably and profitably. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand accounting a little better, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more accounting tips and guides. See you in the next video.